so sweet. A canvas drawn where sky and earth meet. The birds sing songs to greet the day. Their voices dance in morning sway. The air is soft, it wraps around. Each whisper holds a soothing sound. The trees, they sway in gentle tune, a promise held beneath the moon. Rise with the dawn, let your heart glow. Feel the warmth, let the stillness flow. The world awakes in colors true, a peaceful start in every hue. A single ray cuts through the mist. The golden touch the sun insists. Each shadow fades as light expands. The day begins with tender hands. Oh, the melody of nature's grace. Each note